everybody. I've got a really quick and easy recipe for you today. It is a blueberry cobbler that's made with cinnamon rolls. Okay, so let me try to pop this sucker open. There we go. Okay. Now, so reserve your icing for when they come out. Okay, so you're going to need cinnamon rolls, 1 tube of cinnamon rolls, it doesn't matter if it's generic, and a can of blueberry pie filling. Okay, you take the cinnamon rolls out and separate them, of course. Oops. Separate them. Okay, and you're going to cut them in fourths. And meanwhile, you need to have your oven preheated, and you'll cook these just like you do the cinnamon rolls. And you'll need an 8x8 pan or baking dish, and you need to spray it with cooking spray. I already got it ready. I'm just going to put my cinnamon rolls in here. You have to remember these are going to be fluffy, so it's going to look kind of, you know, lame looking because it's just so, there's like nothing there. Okay, and then you take your blueberry pie filling, you put it on the cinnamon rolls, and you're going to bake this, whatever the cinnamon rolls, package on the cinnamon rolls said. So if it's $3.75, you'll bake for $3.75, if it's $3.50, you'll do it for that. Alright, and then when it's still hot and it comes out of the oven, we will put the icing on it. Alright, that's it. Let's get this in the oven. Okay, y'all, I've got this out of the oven. It's good and hot, bubbly. You cook it until the edges are a little bit, how do you say it? Just like a little bit, you know, crispy on the sides like that, a little bit brown. And then it'll be bubbly and stuff like that. So then you take your icing and just put it however you want to on there. All over the top. And that's it. And the author of the recipe said to serve it with ice cream, but I had some Cool Whip in the freezer and I thought, well, I'll just do that. So you can do ice cream or you can do some Cool Whip. That's it. Real easy and fast. And you can change up the pie filling. It doesn't have to be blueberry. Okay, y'all. See y'all next time.